everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a scene of a rainy school day. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills, today's artistry trivia. Which artist says the fusion of rainy season and historical places in cities and villages constitute the subjects of my paintings? I have my own way of showing love for monsoon creations. My color schemes are modern and flashy. But this is intentional, to remind us of the importance of historical locations and old buildings in Pune after rain. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start, try imagining the scene from your everyday life in the rainy season. You are coming back from school in the heavy rain with your father. Let's start with drawing our first character, a schoolgirl. Next to her is her father, who is our second character. Use basic shapes in the first stage of the drawing. To draw faces, use oval shapes. Draw the umbrella our character is holding. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. The scene is taking place on a street, so our characters are on the footpath. Let's draw some more characters who are on the street. Our third character is walking in the opposite direction, going towards his home in this heavy rain. Now let's draw one more character who is a beggar who is covering himself and still in the rain. This scene is very similar to what we see every day, so try and draw from your imagination as well. Now let's draw the details of our characters, like costume and expression. Now let us draw in the background. It is a rainy day, so there will be puddles on the footpath as well, and also draw various props like trees and bushes. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a scene of walk back home from school after a rainy day. Now, Coming back to the artistry trivia question. Somnath Bose is a contemporary Indian artist known for his evocative paintings that often explore themes of rural life and nature. His works are characterized by vibrant colors and dynamic compositions, reflecting a deep connection to his cultural roots. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.